carried every weight we gave. Never asked, just always stayed. Through every load, through every strain, you held the truth through loss and gain. Pushed you past what you were made. Ignore the signs, ignore the fate. Still you held until the end, a silent force we couldn't mend. Every reading, every test, built on all you gave your best. You carried every weight we gave. Now rest beneath the scrapyard grave. No more strain, no more demand. You gave us truth we never planned. Metal bends, signal dies, buried false, hidden lies. We pushed harder than we should, turned your strength to something ruined. Every fault now understood, too late to fix what once was good. You carried every weight we gave. Now rest beneath the scrapyard grave. No more drift, no more demand. We lost the truth within your hands. Within our hands. You held. You held. You held. Until you broke. Until you broke. Every gram you bore alone, every truth you made our own. Now the line falls apart without your steady heart. You carried every weight we gave. Now rest beneath the scrapyard grave. No more load, no more strain, only echoes of your name. Oh, you held the